Did you know that almost half the world's population menstruates? Over 80% of menstruating people experience unexpected periods multiple times in a year, some more than others. Now, if you're not familiar with the term menstruating or menstruation, I'm sure you've gotten a call from your wife, partner, or daughter asking you to pick up a box of pads or tampons from the store. Now, imagine that they had a really important meeting and they were just about to present in front of a crowd, and it happens. It's an I just got my period in public feeling. Now, there are only so many options, one being finding the nearest restroom and putting those Mr. MacGyver skills to use with a roll of toilet paper, or put their brave face on, present their butt off, and pray to God there isn't a stain on the back of their clothing by the time that they're done. So, what's the solution? Well, at femPAQ, we've developed a convenient, sustainable emergency kit to help businesses stay prepared for menstruating customers and employees. Our kit comes with one black panty, one pad, one tampon with plant-based applicator, one liner, one wipe, one 2-tablet ibuprofen, and one dark chocolate mini for cravings. It is the perfect solution for every menstruating person's problem. Now, our team consists of myself. My name is April Roy, and I'm the founder and CEO. I have over 8 years of product development experience and currently holding a design patent for our emergency kit. Derek Johnston, our CIO, has over 10 plus years in branding and web development. Now, we currently have a number of advisors assisting us as we continue to build our company. Now, the global feminine hygiene product market has garnered over $24 billion this year so far. We see about 10% of that being femPAQ's addressable market. Now, femPAQ will be sold to businesses for $6.25 a unit, sold in cases of 20. Price will be based on volume. Now, we've had current success such as Arkansas Conductor Pitch winner, CAI Scale Challenge winner. We were a finalist in the Big Pitch, and recently we were a part of Arkansas's 10X Accelerator. We partnered with companies such as Arkansas Period Poverty Project, Kaya Chocolate, Safety Before Skills Swim School, and we are currently up for the next SEP review by the U.S. Army in January 2021. Now, we are looking to partner with those in military branches, emergency responses, women's sports, convenience stores, retailers such as Walgreens and Walmart, and those in the travel and hospitality industry. Now, our go-to-market strategy is to at least attend 6 major trade shows in our targeted industries a year, connect with buyers and business owners through social media, through our messaging and storytelling, email marketing, our wholesale website, and through digital and print ads. Now, our current competitors include Procter & Gamble, Kimberly-Clark, subscription services such as Lola and Femly, but our direct competition are those overly prepared users and period underwear company Thinx. But what makes femPAQ so awesome is that not only are we providing sustainable convenience to menstrual health, but by providing this convenience, we are ending the trauma and anxiety that comes along with an unexpected period. It's something that can follow you for the rest of your life. So today we are seeking a $500,000 investment into the infrastructure of our company. We will use it towards inventory, payroll, marketing, fulfillment, distribution, and accounting and legal fees. And we currently have a strategy milestone roadmap from today's date until the time we raise our Series A round. Now, our financial projections that are listed are for 5,000 cases sold per year, doubling each year after, showing our total income, gross profits, and earnings after taxes. So I'll leave you with this. Menstruating people are frequently made to feel ashamed or embarrassed simply because they get a period. So today, join us in making femPAQ available to every menstruation person around the globe. By ending the stigma surrounding periods, as well as doing our part to end period poverty. To learn more, visit our website at www.fempaq.com. Let's change the world. Thank you.
Excellent, April. Thank you. Does anyone have any questions for April?
Hi, April. Good presentation. Mike Ryan. And in your packet, you're not producing, you're pulling those together, or are you actually producing the whatever you're putting there, the chocolate to the tampons, whatever? And where do you need the FDA approval?
We have to get a Class A FDA approval because it's considered a medical device because of the tampons.
Okay.
Our products are coming from different suppliers that we partner with in order to build our kits.
Okay, thank you.
Any other questions?
Great job with the presentation. Can you go over your COGS a bit? How much does it cost you to produce? And then you did say that you were going to be selling them for about $6.25.
Yes. So it costs us about $1.38 to make one unit. And each unit will be at $6.25, but we're selling them in cases of 20, which is about $125 a case. Because we want to make sure that small businesses are able to afford it as well.
So are you going both B2B and B2C?
No, we're strictly B2B. Again, we want to make sure that businesses stay prepared for their menstruating customers and employees because it's all about making women feel safe in their space.
No, I'm very happy to hear that. Yeah, thank you for that. I was just looking at your competition. Sorry.
There's a question about how hard will it be for the competition to copy the idea?
We do have a design patent for our emergency kit, and we are currently working on a product trademark as well. We're trying to build a moat around our product so that it will make it harder for someone else to copy us.
Mike Ryan mentioned selling into the Red Cross during disaster relief could be good. The Red Cross could be a great client. Any other questions?
I guess my question falls around barriers to entry. And so even with those design patents and having some sort of patents around what you're building, it's having the capital in the bank to actually go out and defend the patents that means something. So have you thought about a strategy with that? Because it does seem like the barriers are quite low. Maybe FDA approval would help with those barriers as well.
Right. When we register with the FDA, we will be the only emergency kit in regards to menstrual health. And also, in regards to building our kit, it took me about a year for R&D. So it was all about making sure we found the correct packaging that would promote the most space. And so if someone did try to knock us off and make a square box, say for instance, most likely people will still purchase our product because it's so small that it can go in a purse or large pocket to maximize the space. So I think in regards to that, we will be okay.
Any other questions? Or do you plan to develop your own products instead of using products already made by other companies?
Yes, we are currently partnering with Corman. They are going to make all of our sanitary products. We are actually we partner with Kaya Chocolate to create a ginger chocolate, dark chocolate for our customers, for those who may not be able to take ibuprofen. So yes, we have already set up all of our suppliers in regards to creating all of the products ourselves.
There's another question. I'm thinking about Band-Aid medical kits. And there is competition, but they create their own standard brand. One other question is, April, can you discuss the outdoor military packaging? So,
Yes. Oh, okay. So we are creating a packaging specifically towards for the military, which will be waterproof and heat protective. We're actually working with a company right now that is creating our medical device packaging. And so, with us going up for review in January, this is where the executive offices decide on exactly where they're going to put femPAQ out in the field. And there are about 5,000 Army bases around the US. So even if they just decided to do 5 cases for each base, our product, our profit margins will be pretty high.
Okay, great idea. All right, thank you so much, April. Appreciate it.
Thank you, guys.